Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So today we're going to try and get some errands taken care of, go and look for some new curriculum books for next year. We're going to grab a bite to eat and just take care of some of those little to-dos that we need to do. But first I'm going to get some dinner in the crock pot and cooking so that while we're out and about it can be doing its work, and when we come home we don't have to worry about it. So today we're going to make some chicken and gravy in our slow cooker, and I'm going to move y'all in and let y'all see how we do it. We're starting with frozen chicken, so very minimal prep work is needed. We're going to mostly just dump it in the crock pot and let it cook while we're out enjoying our day. So we're going to start by turning our slow cooker to low and just get it going so that we don't forget to turn it on. We're going to make our gravy down in the bottom of our pot and then just push our chicken down into that sauce. So I added 1.5 cups of water. To that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of our chicken gravy mix. So if you don't have a homemade gravy mix, then you can just buy 2 packs of chicken gravy from the store. But if you want to know how to make this chicken gravy, I'll leave it down in the description and in the comments. So we need 4 tablespoons of our chicken gravy mix. Need 1 can of cream of mushroom, and if you don't like mushrooms, then you can use cream of chicken. I like this recipe for the simplicity of this and also just how yummy and like belly filling it is. And you can really mix it up with what you serve it with too. And our seasonings are super simple as well. You want about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. We're just going to mix this all together. And this next ingredient is optional, but we really like mushrooms, so we're going to add in a 16-ounce container of sliced mushrooms. And I did already clean these and slice them myself. But if you don't like mushrooms, use cream of chicken and just leave those mushrooms out. Last step is we're adding in 2 pounds of chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs if you want. And like I said, these are still frozen. I just pulled them out of my freezer. And we're just literally going to slide them down in the pot. And that is all for now. We're going to close the lid and let this cook on low for about 4 to 5 hours. When we come back, we'll add our very last ingredient, prep our sides, and dinner will be ready. As simple as that. So we're just taking our chicken right now and shredding it into some big chunks. I don't want to shred it all the way down because I still want that meaty kind of texture and not to feel like it's just like shredded like taco meat or something like that. Now that we've got that all shredded into big chunks, I'm just going to add in about 1/2 cup of sour cream, and we're going to mix this around. Sorry about the noise, y'all. Michael is sanding a desk for me, and I'm trying to get this done so that we can pack it up and get ready to head to Bible study. We are taking this with us, so we're going to pack it in little to-go containers. But we'll make sure that's all mixed around, and then we're going to taste test and see if we need to add any more salt or seasoning. So I'm going to add about another teaspoon or so of chicken bouillon powder, and about another 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Let's give this a stir, and that did the trick. So we just needed a little bit extra seasoning right at the end. You never know, especially if you're not adding exact ingredients. If you want to thicken this up just a little bit, you can add a little cornstarch slurry. However, we're going to pour this over some mashed potatoes, so I want the gravy to be a little bit thinner so it will nice and evenly pour all over the top. So we've got a little bit of mashed potatoes and some veggies that we're just going to pour our chicken and gravy right over top. And super simple, scrumptious dinner. And we're taking it on the go.